guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this plant DIY, and all the materials used will be from the Dollar Tree. So for this project, I'm going to be taking my hot glue gun and just applying a layer of glue around the vase, and then taking my rope and pressing it against it just so it can stay in place and secure. And I'm just going to keep doing this until the rope is completely covering the vase. Now I did use all 3 packs of this rope, so it just depends on the size of the vase that you use, depending on how many of these that you need to get. But I got 3 to be on the safe side, which I'm glad that I did because I used all of it. So I did want to give you guys a close-up of what I was doing, just in case you couldn't really see from the video. I tried to get different angles for you guys, but again, I'm just applying the glue and just pressing the rope onto it, and yeah. So my vase is completed, but I am going back to add some rope at the very top, because when I started this, I didn't apply the rope at the rim of the vase. So I definitely suggest doing that, but if you forget, you can always go back like I'm doing now. So I'm going to fix that, and then I will be done. So now I'm going to be taking a rubber band to tie the stems together, just to help keep the plant in place. So now I'm going to add the stones to help secure the plant in the vase. Okay guys, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was easy enough to follow. If you guys decide to try this out, I would love to see it. Just make sure you tag me at _LFactor on Instagram so I can be able to see it and repost you. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.